Subscribe to Jazee's recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, this is Jazla Ismat. Welcome back to Jazee's recipes. After many days I am coming out with a recipe video. Most of you all request me for vlogs. I'll try my maximum to give you more vlogs, but today my video is a recipe. So today I am sharing my favorite blondie recipe with you. It's kind of like a cuisine to the brownie, just without the cocoa powder. While they are not chocolatey, they are just as delicious as brownies. So now let's get into the video. First, in a large bowl, add 225 grams of melted butter. Melted butter gives the blondies a buttery taste. So microwave or use the gas stove to melt. Next, add 300 grams of powdered brown sugar, or you can use half brown sugar and half white sugar. Don't use all white sugar, but I have taken all brown sugar here. I ground the sugar, that's it, the sugar is in this color. Now whisk these two ingredients to combine well. Next, add 2 eggs. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature for the best results. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence for the flavor. Stir everything together until completely combined. Next, add 275 grams of flour, and with all these rich ingredients we have to add just a little baking powder, around 1/8 teaspoon. Then add white chocolate chips up to 100 grams, but if you don't like much sweet, add only 50 grams of chocolate chips. Of course, you can add mix of chopped nuts and white chocolate chips in the recipe. This combination will provide a nice balance of sweetness and crunch. After adding the flour, gently fold it into the batter using a rubber spatula or wooden spoon. Whenever you make brownies or blondies, it's important to gently fold the flour, and also the batter will be very thick. Spoon the batter into the prepared baking dish. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Baking in a glass or ceramic pan will likely take 3 to 5 more minutes. The blondies may appear very soft, but they will set up as they cool. Allow the blondies to cool completely for about 2 hours. Lift the foil or the parchment out of the pan using the overhang on the sides and cut into bars. Since these bars are a lot sweeter than chocolate brownies, I recommend cutting your pieces a bit smaller than you might usually want to. So our delicious blondies are done and ready. Please try to do it and let me know by leaving a comment in the comment section if you make them or plan to make them. Don't forget to share and like Jazee's recipes. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe for more recipes. I'll come out with another wonderful recipe, so stay tuned until my next video. Thank you for watching.